Today we're checking out a gym bag that's built for more than just workouts. It's designed to carry everything you need for gym day, travel, and even swim or sauna time. This is the Tolaccea 40-liter gym and travel backpack. When you get the bag out of the box, it is in a protective zip-up bag, making sure nothing gets damaged during shipping. The bag feels really solid. Tolaccea says it's made from recycled materials, which is awesome. It's eco-friendly and durable. The outer fabric is water resistant and the zippers are built well so you don't have to worry about tearing. At 40 liters of capacity, it's big enough for a solid gym haul, or even enough clothes and gear for a weekend trip. According to their specs, it weighs around 2.76 pounds, so you're not lugging around unnecessary weight. This bag has thoughtful internal design. There is a vented shoe compartment, so your sweaty gym shoes don't stink up your clean clothes. There's also a waterproof wet pocket that's perfect for damp towels, wet swim gear, or drippy workout clothes. Because of its layout, you can organize a lot. Gym clothes in one side, shoes in another, and maybe a laptop or work gear in the third. You even have an easy to access ID card spot in case you need to use an ID card to show the bag is yours, or even a gym membership card that you may have to use to enter your local gym. The side pouches also have plenty of room to put things like your phone, pencils, wallet, and keys in so you don't lose them. I was even able to fit a pair of headphones in one of the side pouches and still have plenty of room left over. And the mesh pouches are super handy for quick grab items like chapstick or anything else that you might need on the fly. The included independent laptop sleeve makes a great companion for a laptop. It fits laptops up to 15.6 inches and is well padded, giving your laptop perfect protection. You've got multiple ways to carry this bag, and that's a big plus. You can use it as a backpack for hands-free travel, or carry it like a duffel bag when you're headed into the gym. The straps are padded and the back panel gives enough support to carry a heavier load without killing your shoulders. Tolaccea's design lets you adapt the bag to fit your day, whether you're going to train, travel, or just hit the showers. And with the bag being water resistant, it definitely helps, but keep in mind it is not fully waterproof. So don't count on it keeping everything bone dry in a downpour. I've been really digging this duffel bag. It's really come in handy, being the perfect size for what I need it for. I'm able to pack all of my clothes in it that I need to carry for a weekend trip, as well as use the included laptop sleeve to protect my laptop, making sure it is completely protected during my travels in case I need to use it for any business out on the weekend. The Tolaccea 40-liter gym and travel backpack is a powerful blend of gym duffel and weekend travel bag. It's durable, smartly organized, and the eco-conscious makes it perfect if you're serious about fitness and you're always on the go. If you'd like to take a closer look for yourself, we have all of our links and details located in the description. And if you found this review helpful, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.